In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and create an email campaign using Mailchimp. If you've just signed up or are feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the options, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you come out on the other side with a clear, professional email campaign ready to go. To get started, you'll first need to be logged in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're there, look towards the top menu and find the button labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your planned, sent, and draft campaigns will be located, making it a central hub for managing all your email marketing activities. Now that we're in the Campaigns section, it's time to create a new one. You'll want to look for the Create button, which should be prominently displayed. Click on it, and this will open up a selection of campaign types you can build. For our purposes today, we're focusing on designing an email campaign, so make sure to select Design Email from the options available. Clicking on Design Email will bring you to a new screen where you'll need to choose a starting point for your email design. Pick Basic Layout to keep things straightforward. Basic layout options give you a clean slate to build upon, offering a structure that's both versatile and easy to modify, perfect for beginners and seasoned designers alike. After selecting your layout, move forward by clicking on Code Your Own. This option is particularly useful for those who have specific HTML email templates in mind, or for those who are comfortable with adding custom code to tailor every single aspect of their campaign. Once you've clicked on Code Your Own, you'll see a few different ways to input your own HTML code. Depending on your level of familiarity and the resources you have, you can either paste in your pre-made HTML or edit directly in Mailchimp's code editor. This flexibility is one of Mailchimp's strengths, allowing you to truly make your design your own and align it perfectly with your brand's aesthetic and messaging. Keep in mind though, this feature is reserved for users with a subscription, so if you're on a free plan, this part won't be accessible. And there you have it. Those are the steps to set up an email campaign using Mailchimp. In no time, you'll be sending out those emails confidently and keeping your subscribers engaged with beautifully designed content. As always, take your time experimenting with different features and designs. This is your space to be creative and informative. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.